Hi everyone, I hope you're fine and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are gonna talk a bit and review a dash cam. So dash cams are very important car accessories, especially in today's world. It definitely ensures your safety and provide you with all the evidences just in case you get into any unfortunate incident on the road. And how I see it is that it also provides you a camera that is always on. So, if you are going on a drive with great roads, you always have a camera that's capturing the best view out of the car without compromising your safety. So, it provides multiple use cases. So it is a no-brainer that dash cam is a very important accessory to have, especially when you're driving any commercial vehicle and also when you're driving your personal vehicle. With all that said, Torvo was kind enough to send me their latest TD3 dash cam. Now this is a dual lens dash cam with all the cutting edge features that you can get in any dash cam out there. It has loop recording, it has motion sensing, it records in 4K and 1080. It has way to extend the external memory. It supports up to 256 GB cards, and it has multitude of features which we'll talk about in detail after the unboxing. Now, I really like the look of this dash cam. I think for me, one of the most important feature is that the dash cam should look very sleek and it should blend in with the interior of the car. Now my car has black interiors and this is black in color, so I think this will just camouflage in there, and I really don't want a lot of accessories to be seen in the car, if they are not stock accessories. So that's like what I want. But some people like bigger dash cams with bigger screens and all those things, but it's just not for me. I can be more thankful to Torvo that they provided me with the opportunity to review their product, but this is not a paid endorsement. I'm gonna provide my honest feedback of this dash cam, even though I'm gonna be using it. However, I just want to say that the design is something that I would have bought myself personally and would have put it on my car. So it just came in at the right time. It was in the back of my head that I wanna buy a dash cam for my car, especially with the driving standards that I've seen across the state. So yeah, it came in just at the right time, and I'm pretty excited to get this out of the box and put it on my car. So let's quickly do that. I really love soft open boxes. Wow, so here is my dash cam. Oh my god, it is very small, and I thought it is black in color, but it is gray in color, so very close to the color of this panel over here. So I think it's fine. Wow, this looks very good. And this is the screen. I think it's pretty long. It's a good rectangle. Let me keep this on the side. You get this nice tool. Wow, this is a black color tool. I think it's very cool. This is another cam for back monitoring. Again, very small in profile, and it has this long wire. And of course, this is the adapter to power the dash cam. Wow, I think it's a very nice quality plastic. And I always say this in all my videos where I review products, that if you hold them and you feel good about the product, it tells a lot about the build quality. Nice. So, I'll quickly take out all the plastics and I'll start installing it. The first and the foremost thing that you have to do is select a spot on which you want to install the camera. So I just wanted to keep it low profile, so I just kept it over here. But if you want to hide it, you can hide it behind over your rear view mirror as well. And I know one reason that I installed it towards the top side is that I didn't want it to kind of interfere with any of the systems and the cameras over here, which is used for my LKAS and lane sensing and all those cruise control features. Now let's talk about the wire setup. So this is my power socket over here, and what I'm going to do is that I want to make sure that I hide this wire or conceal it as much as possible. Now I'm not going to pry into the space over here because I don't want to mess with the factory fitting of the plastic, otherwise they make noises. So I'm going to just run this wire from behind this panel over here, and just make sure that you don't mess with the places where you have airbag written, because you don't want to mess with your airbag. So just very gently I'll run the wire from behind this panel. I'll use some double-sided tape to conceal them properly. Next, I ran the wire from behind my fuse box. Now this is kind of at the similar space in all the cars, so you can remove the cover and then run the wire behind the weather seal. So this weather seal just comes out. All you have to do is just pry a bit on the side and pull it out, and then the wire is running from behind this weather seal. Next, you have to run the wire from behind this plastic panel over here, and you have to find a groove from where you can pass the wire from this side panel to the top panel. So this was the groove. This was loosely coupled in my car, so great. And then the wire is running from behind this panel over here. Now this is concealed so good that you really cannot see the wire at all. So yeah, I think that's kind of setup that you want. So use the prior tool that you get. So this is the prior tool that I've been using. I think this will be more than enough to install the front camera. So the main front camera is done. Now we'll talk about the rear camera. Now in case you drive an Uber and you want to record the passengers who are coming into the car, then you can just mount it right besides your front camera, and both the cameras are gonna record outside the front of the car and the cabin. But in my case, this is my personal car, so I'm gonna install it at the back of my back windshield. So yeah, this is gonna go right on the door of the trunk inside, definitely. And I'm gonna use the same procedure. I'm gonna run the wires from these sides over here, and they're gonna run right to the back of the car. And the game is that I'll have to conceal them properly. So yeah, that's where you'll spend your most of the time in the installation. Otherwise, it is just plug and play. You have a jack over here that you'll have to install right into the front main camera, and this is good to go. And when you plug this in, you can also see the images, the recording from this camera on the main screen as well. So this is all super easy installation. All you have to do is that conceal these wires properly. So the back camera is installed as well. The first thing that I've put it in a spot where it covers the area which gets clean by this rear wiper. So just make sure you don't put it over here, just to make sure that it is in the center. Otherwise this part will stay dirty, or will be covered by the raindrops during rain. So yeah, you have to put it on the side, but just make sure it is done nicely, very near to this back panel. So the wire, as you can see, is going through inside this back panel. This panel can come out. It is very easy, and this is same in most of the cars. And just to make sure that it is clean, I have used this duct over here which transfers your actual car harness, and from here I have inserted the wire of this rear cam. So yeah, you have to do some work over here, but this will keep everything neat and make sure that there are no leakages. And then the wire is passing through here inside these panels. These are same in all the cars. Just make sure you're very gentle and you don't damage the edges of your roof panel. And yeah, it passes through this panel over here, and then it goes to the front of the car. So the process is going to be pretty much same in all the cars, and this will make sure that your entire installation is clean. One more setup thing that you'll have to do before you are ready with all the complete installation is downloading the Videor app. So in case you have to connect the recorder's Wi-Fi to your phone Wi-Fi, you will need this app. So go to Google Play or Apple Play Store, and then you can get this app. It's spelled as Viidure, and you will find all the prompts on the app to connect with your dash cam. So yeah, that's the last part of the installation, and then you'll be good to go. Now, in the next part of the video, let's look at the video recording and the performance and the features of this camera. Let's look at the camera controls now. So you can control this camera using the app or directly from the camera itself. They have 4 buttons over here. One for the menu, 2 for doing up and down, and the third one is to, just select OK. So if you click on the menu, you will see all kind of settings such as resolution, the time you want for the loop recording, the time lapse, and the time lapse time, recording, like if you want to record audio or just video, G sensor, date stamp, GPS stamp, back mirror settings, if you want to add your license info, screensaver, key voice, which I think I would want to turn off, and speaker settings, the boot sound, the language, the date time, GPS test, time zone, speed calibration, speed settings, speed unit. It provides miles per hour and kmph, Wi-Fi app, 5G Wi-Fi format, and all the default settings if you want to, and also the version settings. So it is quite easy to use. These buttons are quite sturdy. They are not very soft touch, so you really will have to press, I think. And I like those kind of buttons. I really don't like soft touch buttons that much, or touch screen in that case as well. So yeah, I think this screen is big enough to get all the data and to do all kind of settings. And when you go back, you will see both the recordings from your front and the back camera over here. So yeah, I think it is pretty straightforward and pretty neat. So usually I would have posted the pictures and the videos from the dash cam to show you guys the camera quality, but here is the real video from the incident that happened with me. So unfortunately, my car was rear-ended by a car, but fortunately I had the camera from Torvo installed on my car, and this is the video from the real incident. So this happened at night, and I am so thankful to the night vision feature of the dash cam, where it recorded everything crisp and clear. The license plate of the car in front of me is very visible, and this was the change maker to prove my insurance that I was not at fault. As you can see, the car in front of me stopped suddenly and took an illegal U-turn from the double yellow lines. So everything was captured very well in the camera. So yeah, this was an unfortunate incident, but again, very grateful to Torvo for sending me this dash cam and saving my day. So I think this video should be more than enough to tell you guys about the camera quality and how the dash cam would function in case of such unfortunate incidents. So I hope this unboxing video of the Torvo dash cam was helpful for you guys, and in case you are planning to buy a dash cam, then you will definitely give Torvo a chance. So I've put all the details of the product in the description, and definitely check out all the discounts that you can get at different e-commerce websites. In the end, I'll just say that thank you for all the support, and definitely stay tuned to the channel for more such experience videos. And for sure, please put dashcam on your car. It is very important accessory. Until then, drive safe, stay safe, and please take care.